how to modify your divorce agreement in San Diego County. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Life doesn't stand still after divorce, and sometimes the terms you agreed to in your original divorce judgment no longer reflect your current situation. Whether it's child support, custody, spousal support, or even how certain assets were divided, you may find yourself needing to make changes. I'll explain how to legally modify your divorce agreement in San Diego County and how to avoid common mistakes that can slow things down or get your request denied. First, it's important to know that not all parts of a divorce judgment can be modified. Property division, for example, is generally final, but issues like child custody, visitation, child support, and spousal support can be modified if there's been a significant change in circumstances, such as a job loss, relocation, changes in income, or changes in the needs of your children. There are two ways to modify a divorce agreement in San Diego County. The first and easiest is through a stipulated agreement. If both parties agree to the changes, we can draft a written stipulation, have both parties sign it, and submit it to the court for approval. This avoids the need for a court hearing and saves time, money, and stress. The second method is through a formal request for order, RFO. If one party wants to modify the agreement but the other doesn't agree, you'll need to file this motion with the court, serve the other party, and appear before a judge to present your case. This process is more time-consuming and complex, and while we don't represent clients in court, we can refer you to an attorney or help you with the paperwork preparation. We recently helped a client in San Diego who lost their job and could no longer afford the spousal support payments they had agreed to years earlier. Both parties were on good terms, and we drafted a stipulation to reduce the amount, which the court approved within 2 weeks. No hearing required. At Divorce 661, we specialize in handling post-judgment modifications quickly and correctly. We'll review your current agreement, advise you on whether a modification is possible, and prepare all necessary documents to update your court orders legally. If you need to change the terms of your divorce and want expert help navigating the process, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll make sure your modification is handled properly, so you can move forward with terms that actually fit your life today.